In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a professional logo in GIMP. Whether you're a complete beginner or simply looking to enhance your design skills, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create stunning logos using GIMP's array of tools. To start off, the first thing we'll do is create a new canvas. You'll want to set the dimensions to 2000 by 2000 pixels. This size gives you a spacious area to work in and is versatile enough to allow for resizing later on without losing quality. Open GIMP and head over to the File menu at the top left corner. Select New, and when the dialog box appears, input your dimensions. Make sure the resolution is set to 300 ppi for optimal print quality if you plan on using your logo in print media. Next, let's harness the power of shapes, text, and gradients to begin crafting your logo. Start with the Shape tool, located in the toolbox, which allows you to create foundational shapes like circles, squares, and triangles. These shapes are fundamental building blocks for any logo and can be combined or layered to create more complex designs. Experiment with different shapes to find a layout that suits your vision. Once you're happy with your shapes, it's time to add text. Choose the Text tool and click anywhere on your canvas to begin typing. You can adjust font style, size, and color in the text panel. A playful or modern font can set the tone for your brand identity, so don't hesitate to try a few before settling on the one that feels right. Now let's add some gradients. Gradients can give your design depth and dimension, helping it stand out. Select a shape or text, click on the Gradient tool, and choose your colors by clicking on the Gradient box in the tool options. You can drag across your shape or text to apply the gradient. The direction and length of your drag dictate the gradient's flow. Feel free to play around with linear, radial, or any custom gradients you may want to explore. Once you're satisfied with your design's basic elements, it's time to dive into effects. Effects such as shadows and glow can add an extra layer of polish to your logo. With your shape or text layer selected, go to the Filters menu, select Light and Shadow, and choose an effect like Drop Shadow or Glow. Adjust the sliders to control the intensity and distance of the shadow or glow to achieve a look that complements your overall design. Finally, when your logo is ready, you'll want to save and export it. Click on File, then Export As. Typically, PNG is the preferred format for logos due to its lossless compression and support for transparent backgrounds, which makes it versatile across different backgrounds and platforms. Input your desired name, make sure to select PNG from the drop-down menu, and hit Export. And there you have it. Your professional logo is ready to be used. Keep practicing and experimenting with different elements to refine your skills. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.